Men are quick to leave but often come back. Women, it take longer to decide, but if they leave, they don't return. Your boyfriend can move on very fast, but you don't know your boyfriend moved on with another person. That's why you see your boyfriend, he is no longer calling you. He moved on with his heart. His heart, he is no longer thinking about you. Men are quick to leave that relationship, but if he saw that his new relationship doesn't work, so he can come back again to you. So, but when a woman she decides to leave that relationship, women we can take longer to decide. That's why other people they can ask a woman, what are you doing with the kind of man? Because that man is abusing you, he is cheating on you, he doesn't calling you, you are the one who is putting pressure on that relationship. It take longer for a woman to decide that she is no longer in love with that man because her heart she is still in love with that man. But when a woman decides and say, I'm no longer in love with this man, she is no longer in love with this man. Guys, men are quick to leave the relationship. That's why you see in relationship when a man sleep with you, men are quick to leave that relationship. He is no longer in love with you. He is moving to another, to the next woman, and you are still your heart, you are still touching to that man. You are the one who is following him to ask him, why you don't call me, why you don't give me attention. You moved on long time ago. But men, they will beg and say, baby, I'm sorry, we have to beg together. At that time, you are no longer in love with him because it takes time for you. You are thinking about him. Guys, it takes time to a woman to forget a man. It takes maybe about 2 years or 3 years to have got a heartbreak with a person. So women, sometimes we can take longer to decide. People, they can ask you, are you crazy? What are you doing? Until one day is one day, you can feel that even you don't think about that person anymore, it can happen. And if you don't think about that man anymore, and you can see that person will come again and say, I'm sorry. Guys, men, they are quick to leave. And your boyfriend, he can pretend sometimes, but he knows that in his heart he moved on long time ago with another person. Men, they can move on very slow, and you don't know he moved on, but you can see that person the way he is doing. He does it. Sometimes other men, they don't want to show you that they moved on, they are no longer in love with you, but you can see by his actions that that man, he is no longer in love with you. You understand? But